In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize the software. So once inside of the product details tab, everything you need to enter to customize the software can be entered right here. So let's start off by looking at them one at a time. So we've got the tool name. Now this is what you want to call the tool. So our software is called HQ Suggest. We'd call it HQ Suggest. And as an example, I've added down here app name goes here. And if we have a look at the software here, we can see it here where it says app name goes here. And at the same time, if I exit out of this and I reopen it, you'll see when it verifies the license, it says app name goes here as well. So that's the name of your tool. Now the license URL, guys, now when you click save and you click here to download the project, then you're going to be given a bunch of files and a bunch of folders as well, which need to be uploaded to your server. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that in another video. But what this says here is this wants the URL beforehand. So it's telling you where are you going to upload these. So what you enter here is where you need to upload them files. So for example, I'm going to give you an example and show you my FTP client here. So this is my domain, abbasravji.com, and I've created a new directory called keyword tool, and all the files that the software that the system gave me I uploaded here. Okay, so it's asking me what is that URL. So let's say for example you wanted to upload it to a directory called tool and it was yourdomain.com, so you'd enter yourdomain.com/tool, and when you download the files then you'd upload them to a new directory on yourdomain.com/tool, so a directory called tool. Okay, so that's exactly what you'd need to do, guys, once you download it here. Okay, so the upgrade URL, you've got two upgrade URLs. You've got a URL for standard licenses who haven't purchased the OTO license, and you've got an upgrade URL for free licenses who obviously haven't purchased the standard or the OTO. Now you've got a choice here, guys. You've got a choice to send them, the free users, you've got a choice to send them straight to your front end version, or you can send them to an OTO version, or you can create a page and make a special offer for the free users altogether. And obviously for the standard version users, you'd send them over to your OTO version because it's designed to convert the standard users. So let me just show you these in action so you get an understanding of how they work. So let's have a look at the standard one first. So we've got upgrade URL. So if I open up the standard one, if I can find it, here we go, the standard one. As you can see, we've got an upgrade license link here. What you enter here, upgrade URL, is what's going to be found in the standard. This is where the standard versions are going to go when they click this link here. Now the standard versions can work with everything they have in the software. These are paid for users. They don't have any problems with working sorry, they don't have any limitations working with what they see here. However, if they want to activate the Spin syntax and if they want to import their own key questions and how-tos, then obviously they will need to upgrade their license to work with that. Now the upgrade link for free users, let me just show you the free users here. The free users can only work with the keyword suggestions features. They're not able to work with questions, they're not able to work with how-tos, they're not able to work with searches as well. So what happens here is every time they click on something they're not able to work with, so for example questions, it'll say have your app name goes here as well, so whatever name of your application is, and it will say this is a free version. To get access to this feature, then you will need to upgrade your license. Would you like to see what's included in the upgrade? If they click yes, then it's going to go over to the page that you enter here. Again, guys, this can be your front end, it can be your OTO version, or it can be a page that you create yourself, especially for these guys, or especially for free users. Okay, now we've got support email and we've got support name as well. Now the support email needs to be an email address that's at the domain address that you're uploading the license to, the licensing details. So if it's at yourdomain.com, then you need to make sure that email address is at yourdomain.com, and it needs to be a real email address as well. So this says support at abbasravji.com. It's a real email address, so it's gonna get delivered to users. Okay, then you got the support name, and you got then you got the support name as well. The support name is what you see in the subject and not the title field. So who is it from? So let me just give you an example and show you here. So as you can see here, we got abbasravji keyword tool. It's automatically added abbasravji because that's what I've got with my domain, and then it's got your license for keyword tool, and then it's got the details here. Now everything here can be customized, and I'm going to be showing you how to customize the email address and everything. Sorry, the actual email that gets sent to users. I'll be showing you how to customize that in another video. Okay, and then we've got a splash page URL. So let me show you what this splash page is. As you can see, it says abbasravji.com. If I open up the free one and I exit out of here and I go over one more time and the demo version go to free and I open up the free version here, what you'll notice is a new page. It opens up the application, and at the same time my page that I entered in the splash page URL opens up in the background as well, which is absolutely brilliant. So you can control that here. Now, just to let you know, guys, you can't customize the software more than once. So please make sure that you enter all the details you enter here are exactly how you want them entered into the software. Because once you've done that, then it's not going to be allowing you to save again. So if with the splash page URL, my advice to you would be to either enter a URL that you can always redirect. So let's say, for example, you had a shortened URL, so you can control, okay, today I want the URL to go to abbasravji.com, and then let's say 3 months down the line you said, hang on a sec, I've got so much traffic now and I don't want it getting sent to abbasravji.com, I want it getting sent to, I don't know, somewhere else. Then you can just edit the redirect and redirect that to a different URL. Alternatively, you can make a different URL for this, and which you totally control, and you can always change the HTML on there, always iframe different pages on there as well. So just be careful with what splash page URL you enter here. I've entered abbasravji here just, you know, because this is an example and this is a demo, but for you guys I would recommend either having a URL redirect that redirects to a page that you can always control, because you can always control that redirect. So anyway, that's what the splash page URL is. Brilliant. Okay, so your brand logo, guys. Now your brand logo is 842 pixels by 100 pixels. So you've got 842 pixels by 100 pixels. Now I would recommend you have it transparent. The reason I recommend you have it transparent, guys, is because it takes on the color of the actual application, so it all flows nicely. So as you can see here, this is a transparent logo that I've added. And what you need to do is you need to upload that to your server. Once you've uploaded it to your server, enter the URL here, because for the very first time the software ever gets run or ever runs by a user, then it's going to go ahead, download that logo onto their local machine. Okay, then you've got powered by text, which goes towards the bottom of the software. So as you can see here, it goes your powered by text. So obviously I've entered you might just enter powered by your URL, but when you enter your URL, guys, towards the bottom, then it's very important that you enter your URL here into this field here, because the URL then becomes clickable. If not, then you're not going to have no clickable area in there. So enter your URL towards the bottom, then click save, then click here to download the project once it's saved, and then I'll meet you in the next video showing you how to customize the files and upload them to your server.